Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Mendys and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be using this Revolution X Patricia Bright palette once again. And I will be using this Revolution palette with the shimmers in it, which is so beautiful. So if you're interested in how I created this look, keep on watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to conceal my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's this one in the color 83. Now I'm going to blend it out. I'm using a tiny little brush to blend the concealer out. I'm going to do my eyeshadow, the fun part. And now I will be using the color Reckless from the Patricia palette, and it's this beautiful purple color, as y'all can see, really pigmented. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see this? Because I didn't set my concealer, I'm dabbing the colors in before I blend them out. So just apply your color and afterwards you will get into blending. Now I will be using the color Fruit Punch from the same palette, and it's this beautiful pink color. I'm half in purple and half on the concealer to basically just blend the edges out. I'm getting a little bit more, yes, like that. I'm bringing that a little bit back, as y'all can see. Just lightly, I'm going with the brush on the purple harsh lines. So I will blend the color together. Now I will be using a clean brush to blend the pink out. Okay, now I will be cutting my crease. You're gonna cut the crease. I'm going to cut my crease and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color 83, of course. Y'all know what I'm using to conceal and to cut creases, okay? Now I will be using this Shimmer Revolution palette. Beautiful colors, as y'all can see. And I think that I will be using this gold one. Now I will be going in with the color No Boo from the Patricia palette. I'm going in to blend out the gold. I'm not even adding that much. This color is just that pigmented. Now I will be applying false eyelashes off camera. I'm going to clean my face a little bit with some baby wipes. Now I will be using the NYX Shine Killer Primer, and I'm not even using that much, but I'm just applying it all over my face. This primer feels great on your skin. Okay, now that I applied my primer, I will be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the color Deep Sable, and I'm just applying it all over my face, and I'm using a brush. Now I'm using the concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83. I'm using a damped beauty blender to apply my concealer out. Okay, I'm going to use my PS Liquid Concealer in the color Rich Espresso. Just a little bit to contour my face. And I'm using a flat brush to blend everything out. Starting with my nose. After I've contoured my face, I'm going to use the Banana Dream Loose Powder that I always use. And I'm going to use my beauty blender like this and dab it afterwards on the places that I have concealed. Of course on my nose, and I'm putting just that on my forehead, and I'm using the beauty blender to blend it in. Okay, now I'm using the brush that I've contoured my face just to go over my contour lines on my nose. And I'm going to use my Bronze and Glow palette that I have for a really long time. I'm going to use this bronzer. I love this color so much, and I'm using it to bring a little bit of color back into my face. Now I'm going back into the palette just to use the colors that I used for up here to create some makeup under my eyes as well. And now I'm going in with the color Reckless. It's this purple one. I'm going to use a clean brush to blend the purple a little bit out. I apologize guys, the clip of me applying highlighter and lip gloss got deleted by accident, but here is the finished look.